If you've come across Saint Aurell while scrolling for aesthetic outfits, you're not alone. The store's clean designs and polished website definitely catch the eye. But is it actually legit or just another online shop letdown? Let's dig into it. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So Saint Aurell presents itself as a minimalist fashion brand with stylish, everyday pieces. The website is modern and well laid out, no obvious red flags at first glance, but as we look deeper, some concerns start popping up. On Trustpilot, the brand holds a 3.2-star rating based on just 6 reviews. That's not terrible, but it's not confidence inspiring either. A few customers reported that their orders took way longer than expected, and some claimed the clothes didn't match the photos or felt low in qualities. One review even mentioned issue with returns and irresponsive customer service. That said, there are also a couple of positive reviews, mainly from customers who liked the look of the pieces and thought the quality was okay for the price. However, with such a small number of reviews, it's hard to tell if the feedback reflects the full picture. There's no significant buzz on Reddit, fashion forums, or YouTube hauls, which is a bit unusual for a clothing brand claiming or aiming for a trendy audience. For the final verdict, Saint Aurel doesn't seem like a flat out scam, but it does raise some trusted concerns. The small number of mixed reviews, lack of online presence, and reports of delays are enough to give us pause. If you really want to give it a try, maybe start with a small order and use a secure payment method just in case anything goes wrong. Have you shopped at Saint Aurel before? Drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how it went. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real talk product reviews.